What's the weather like today?
It's a beautiful day.
Are you enjoying the park?
It's really peaceful.
What are you reading?
I'm not reading, just thinking.
Have you been here long?
Just a little while.
Do you come here often?
Not as much as I'd like.
Is that seat taken?
Go ahead and sit.
What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
How do you know him?
He's my colleague.
Where are you from?
I'm from London.
What time is it?
It's almost 5.
Are you hungry?
I could eat something.
What's for dinner?
I haven't decided yet.
Did you have a good day?
It was a little busy.
What's that sound?
It's a bird chirping.
How's your family?
Everyone is doing well.
What do you do for work?
I'm a graphic designer.
Where do you live?
I live nearby.
What's your favorite color?
I really like blue.
What's your hobby?
I enjoy painting.
Do you like to travel?
I love exploring new places.
What's your favorite food?
I'm a fan of Italian food.
What music do you listen to?
I like rock music.
Do you have a pet?
I have a dog.
What's the plan for tomorrow?
I'm meeting a friend.
Is it hot outside?
It's getting a little warm.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm going to the beach.
Did you finish your work?
I'm almost done.
How was your vacation?
It was very relaxing.
Where did you go?
We went to Spain.
What's your favorite season?
I prefer autumn.
What book should I read?
You should try The Silent Patient.
Can I help you?
No, thank you, I'm fine.
What's your dream job?
My dream job is to be a chef.
How do you feel?
I feel great, thanks.
Is there a cafe nearby?
There's one just around the corner.
What are you thinking about?
I'm thinking about lunch.
Can you recommend a restaurant?
The Green Table is excellent.
How was your flight?
It was a bit bumpy.
How long have you lived here?
I've lived here for 5 years.
What's your morning routine?
I usually start with coffee.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing jeans and a t-shirt.
What's the capital of France?
The capital is Paris.
Do you have any plans for the evening?
I'm going to watch a movie.
What's your favorite movie?
Forrest Gump is my favorite.
Do you have any siblings?
I have a brother.
What kind of car do you have?
I drive a small SUV.
How's your new apartment?
It's a little small.
Where did you get that shirt?
I bought it online.
How do you spell your name?
It's Sarah.
What's your favorite animal?
I really like cats.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the grocery store.
What's the best time to call?
You can call me after 6.
What's your phone number?
I'll text it to you.
What did you do last night?
I stayed home and relaxed.
How do you make this dish?
I can show you the recipe.
What's the temperature outside?
It's about 25 degrees.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea.
What's the date today?
It's September 19th.
What's your least favorite chore?
I dislike doing the dishes.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
What's the biggest city in the world?
Tokyo is the largest city.
What's your favorite sport?
I enjoy playing basketball.
What's the weather forecast?
It's supposed to rain tomorrow.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas is my favorite.
Who are you meeting?
I'm meeting my cousin.
What's that building?
That's the city library.
How long is the flight?
The flight is about 3 hours.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate cake.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up around 7.
What's the capital of Japan?
Tokyo is the capital.
How's your new job going?
It's a lot of work.
What's your favorite drink?
I like fresh orange juice.
What do you think about the movie?
It was a bit slow.
What's your favorite subject?
I really enjoyed history.
Who's your favorite author?
I like Stephen King.
What's the name of this street?
I'm not sure.
Can you tell me more about that?
What would you like to know?
How was the party?
It was a lot of fun.
What's the time difference?
It's a 2-hour difference.
What are you going to do first?
I'm going to grab a coffee.